When doing permanent makeup, it is important to be able to hold your machine properly. In this video, we're going to teach you and show you exactly how to do that. Let me introduce you to the tripod grip, and we'll use a pencil. This is a fine motor skill that's actually taught to us as kids on how to hold a pencil. In the early development stages, we used to hold it like this, even like this, and in various different ways, until we finally get the hang of it and hold our pencil properly to write. Now let's slow down and rewind that. When holding a pencil, your middle finger must be there for the back support, pushing it forward, and your pointy finger is there to push it backward. Your thumb is there for support to hold the pencil. Another thing that you can compare to is how you hold a chopstick. Another demonstration, same thing when holding a pencil or a pen, you hold your chopstick in a 90-degree angle, pointy finger pushing backward, middle finger pushing forward, and your thumb is holding it for support. And of course, this is going to be a totally different feeling when you're finally holding your machine. It's different when you're holding a pen or pencil that's not vibrating versus a completely moving machine. Again, to get into the habit of repetition, make sure your middle finger is pushing the machine forward, pointy finger pushing the machine backward, while your thumb is supporting the entire machine, moving in pendulum motion and in a 90-degree angle.